How to add chapters to YouTube video. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to add chapters to YouTube video. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you need to head over to your YouTube studio and then head over to your content. And then in here, you can see all the content that you have. Now what you need to do is you just need to click on this pencil icon just near the video thumbnail. So just click on that. And when you click on that, you can see in here the details, precisely the description. So what we need to do is we need to add in some chapters. So to add in some chapters, you just need to add the time that that chapter has happened. So for example, at around 20 seconds mark, you just need to find in something to accurately describe it. So for example, since it is about Claire and Phil, we need to put in something about this. And then you can just add another chapter and just add the time again. It totally depends on you and your video, and you can just add something again right here. And then you can add another more. It's actually really unlimited because it actually depends on your actual video. So let's put that in. Then after we put that the chapters, you just need to click on save right here. Then as you can see, it will be saved. Now what we need to do next, we just need to click on this copy video link. And then let's click on a new tab and open that video. So as you can see in here, it is loading. So if we scroll down, let me pause this one first. Scroll down, we can see in here the chapter that we have made. So if you click on this 045 right here, it will jump to that specific scene. And also this one right here and this one. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add chapters to YouTube video. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!